Imagine a seed buried deep in the dark soil, unseen and unnoticed, yet it continues to push through, never giving up, until one day it emerges as a mighty tree, standing tall and proud. This is the power of persistence, where even in the face of darkness and doubt, we rise, we grow, and we conquer. Today, let us uncover how persistence can turn our smallest efforts into a grandest success. Persistence is like a cat. You push it away, it becomes back. You ignore it, it demands your attention. No matter how many doors close, it finds a way in, pulling its way to victory. Be that cat. Keep showing up until success has no choice but to let you in. In the face of storm that seek to break, stand firm like a mountain that never shake. For every struggle carves a path divine, where persistence blooms and stars align. In the silence of darkest night, when hopes feel thin, Nadim whispers softly, be the light that always wins. With persistence as your guide, push through the shadows, for every dawn begins where your courage follows. The power of persistence, unleashing the unstoppable. You in the quiet moments, when the world sleeps and the doubters creep in like shadows. Remember this, the power of persistence is your guiding light. It is the fire that refuses to be extinguished, the river that carves its way through mountains, and the seed that pushes through the hardest soil to reach the sun. The life is not a straight path, it is winding road filled with obstacles, challenges, and the moments of despair. It is in these very moments that your true strength is revealed. Think of the mighty oak, standing tall and proud, rooted deeply in the earth. It did not grow overnight. It faces storms, harsh winters, and relentless winds. Yet, with every storm, it grows stronger. Its roots digging deeper, its branches reaching higher. You are that oak. Every setback you face is not a sign of defeat, but a step towards your ultimate triumph. Persistence is not about never falling, it is about rising every time you fall with more determination than before. It is about knowing that the night is the darkest just before the dawn and holding on just a little longer. For the light is about to break. Imagine an artist crafting a masterpiece. With every stroke of brush, with each movement, the image becomes clearer, the vision sharper, and the beauty within the canvas is revealed. The artist does not see blank canvas as empty and devoid of potential. They see the masterpiece waiting to emerge. Your journey is the same. Every challenge, every failure is a stroke of brush, shaping you, refining you, bringing you closer to the person you were meant to be. Persistence is not a single act, it is a habit, a way of life. It is the quiet voice that says, keep going. When the world shouts, give up. It is the steady beat of drum, the rhyme of progress that drives you forward, step by step, inch by inch. And as you move forward, you become unstoppable. Think of the river flowing relentlessly towards the sea. It does not stop when it encounters a rock or a boulder. It flows over. It flows over, around, and through, carving its path, shaping the landscape until it reaches its destination. Be that river. Let nothing stand in your way. Persist, adapt, and overcome, for you are destined to reach your sea. In the end, it is not the moment of ease that define us, but the moment of struggle, that the times when we pushed forward despite the odds. Your persistence is your legacy. It is the story you will tell, the inspiration you will pass on to others. It is the proof that nothing is impossible if you refuse to give up. So stand tall like the oak, flow like the river, persist like the artist, bringing life to the canvas. Your masterpiece is waiting to be uncovered. Your journey is worth every step, and your persistence will lead you to heights you never imagined. When shadows fall and hope seems lost, remember, persistence pays the cost. The journey's end is near at hand, while dreams are built on a steady stand. As the final moments of this journey fade, know this truth: the power to rise, to overcome, and to conquer lies within your unwavering persistence. Keep moving forward, for every step brings you closer to the victory your heart desires. Dear viewers, if my words have resonated with you today, if they have touched your heart and stirred your spirit, then I urge you to explore the content I have carefully placed in the description below. There, you will find even more inspiration and guidance, crafted with same passion and dedication that I bring to you here. Let these words be your light in the moments of doubt and your strength in times of struggle. Dive into the description and let your journey of growth and transformation continue. Thank you very much for watching my video. You guys are amazing.